How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Striker dash lights. Now we offer these units in our Striker 1, Striker 2, and Striker 4 sizes here. And when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your striker going to your cable here, and then you have your connector, and this is to be used with our optional cig-plug, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. Now with our optional cig-plug, you do have two power modes here. So if you flip your switch up here, you'll be in power mode 1, and if you flip it down, you'll be in power mode 2. So you have up to 2 flash pattern memories on these units. And then you have your flash pattern switch here to change patterns. So now let's go over some of the color options. So we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. So for example here, I brought our Striker 1 in green, our Striker 2 in amber, and our Striker 4 in a red-blue half-half, and a amber-clear alternating color configuration. Now we do offer our Striker 1 in the solid configurations, our Striker 2 in the solid and half-half configurations, and our Striker 4 in the solid, half-half, or alternating. And with our Striker 4, you can also use our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. So when you're using our optional cig-plug, you have Power Mode 1 and you have Power Mode 2. And whether you're in Power Mode 1 or Power Mode 2, you can change the flash pattern by using the flash pattern toggle switch. And you do have memory recall in either of those modes as well. And then if you put your power switch in the middle, your unit will go off. And then you also have your Power Mode 1 and Power Mode 2 cables in the cable harness here if you would like to hardwire. Now we do offer several mounting options for these units. So we have our 90-degree suction cup bracket, our 360-degree suction cup and L bracket, our adjustable and static headliner brackets, and then if you'd like to exterior mount your unit, we have our surface mount end caps, and we have the ability to weatherproof these units. And then finally, you'll see optional windshield visors for each size as well. So that covers our Striker dash lights. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players right below the main product pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.